last class we discussed some formulas in trigonometry, some values of angles, and Astes rule, and how can you find the larger angle values. Today we'll continue the formulas. The next formula is sin A plus B. Sin A plus B. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Here this plus will come here. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Then sin A minus B. Sin A minus B will become sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Then cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Then fourth formula, cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. These are the four important formulas. Sin A plus B. Here sin A plus B, here plus will comes. Sin A minus B, this minus. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Then in the case of cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus, this plus becomes minus. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Then we use these formulas. We make another formulas. Take it as equation 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Then we can add equation 1 plus equation 2 implies sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to, when adding these two equations, we get 2 sin A cos B, another formula, 2 sin A cos B. When we add the equation 1 and equation 2, then equation 1 minus equation 2, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. That is, when we add these two equations, we get 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B. Then, adding equation 3 and 4. Add the equation 3 and 4. We get cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. When you add these two equations 3 and 4, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. Then equation 3 minus equation 4, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. This cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. This cos A cos B, cos A cos B will be cancelled. Then we get minus 2 sin A sin B. Then we get another four formulas. About sin A plus B plus sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, then cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, so cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Then we make another formulas. That is, take A plus B is equal to C and A minus B is equal to D. Then adding these two, 2A is equal to C plus D. Therefore, A is equal to C plus D by 2. When we add these two equations, 2A is equal to C plus D. Therefore, A is equal to C plus D by 2. When subtracting, we get 2B is equal to C minus D. Therefore, B is equal to C minus D by 2. B equal to C minus D by 2. A equal to C plus D by 2. When we substituting here the first formula sin A plus B plus sin A minus B will become sin A plus B. This formula, here we put A plus B is equal to C. Therefore, we get one more formula that is sin C plus then A minus B sin D. Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin A. A is equal to AC plus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. We get one more formula. Then here we substitute A plus B is equal to sin C minus sin D. That is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Sin C minus D by 2. Then here cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Then one more formula, cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Thus we get 12 formulas. Sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. By using these 4 formulas, we make again some formulas here. Then we get sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Okay. Then tan A plus B. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Another formula, tan formula. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Then tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. In the case of tan A plus B, the plus appear here, plus tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B minus appear here, plus appear here. Then another formula, sin 2A. Sin 2A. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. It also can be written as 2 tan square A, 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A, that is equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Then cos 2A. Cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. This also is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. This is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. It is also equal to, we can write it as 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Therefore, the cos 2A, the formula is cos square A minus sin square A, 2 cos square A minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square A, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Then tan 2A. tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. 1 minus tan square a. Then sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cubed a. Another formula. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cubed a. Cos 3a, that is equal to 4 cos cubed a minus 3 cos a. 4 cos cubed a minus 3 cos a. These are some important formulas in trigonometry. Then we can write some general solution of trigonometry. These are some important formulas. We can write the general solution. General solutions. The first one, sin x is equal to sin y. That implies sin x is equal to sin y. The general solution x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into y. N pi plus minus 1 raised to n into y. Then cos x is equal to cos y. That implies x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y. 2n pi plus or minus y. Then tan x is equal to tan y. That implies x is equal to n pi plus y. These are some important formulas in trigonometry. You must study all these trigonometry formulas. With the help of trigonometry formulas, we can easily work out the problem in differentiation and integration. Okay.